think that might be Mount Shasta. Let me check. Yeah, that's Mount Shasta. Oh wow. One there, one there. That looks like the safe way, but that way looks cool. I'm going this way. Oh, I'm uncomfortable. Oh yeah. Down to the base. My coffee seems to have popped open in my backpack. Yes, sir. Adventure is out there. Here's the base of the other one. Next destination. Holy cow. How does one get down there? That's crazy. It's kind of steep. I'm gonna go this way. Yikes. I did it. Holy shnikes. This is sick. The mist coming off of this waterfall. That feels amazing. No hands. Woo! I'm getting wet. I took a shower. There's a rope. That's gonna help a lot. This hill is kicking my ass. Onward.